All parties Hurriyat conference has once again raised the alarm over the massive deployment of the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir, calling the territory a vast open-air prison where the presence of the Indian troops has transformed the civilian life into a state of fear and surveillance. APAC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said, "Occupied Kashmir has been under ruthless military siege since India's illegal invasion on 27 October 1947. As a part of the Narendra Modi-led Indian government's jingoistic approach, more bunkers are being constructed in the Poonch, Rajouri, Samba, Kachua and the Jammu district." The official said that the respective district administrations will submit the fresh proposals for additional bunkers in their areas. Notably, the Poonch town, which is not located directly on the line of control, is also likely to receive the bunkers. Body of a man who had gone missing in the South Kashmir's Kulgam district was recovered the other day. An official said that a man went missing near the Aharbal Fall in the Kulgam district during an outing on the Sunday. State Investigation Agency has carried out a raid at a residential house of a civilian in the Poonch district. The SIA, along with the Indian paramilitary forces, raided the house of Muhammad Jameel in the Savjian area of the district. During the search, the forces harassed the inmates and seized the house and the bank documents, mobile and electronic devices. 35 villagers were hospitalized after falling ill due to a mysterious illness in occupied Kashmir's heavily militarized Rajouri district, prompting the health officials to suspect the contaminated drinking water as a possible cause for the illness. The incident follows a mysterious illness that claimed 17 lives from 3 families at the Badhal in the same district between December 2024 and 25. The locals had accused the Indian Army for contaminating the village water springs. Civil society has drawn the attention of the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres and the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation Secretary General Hussein Brahim Taha towards the lingering Kashmir dispute and the continued human rights violations in occupied Kashmir. Civil society members in a meeting in Srinagar said BJP-led Indian government has curbed all the political and the legal rights of the oppressed people in the occupied territory.